They sell these amp meters and voltmeters in various places. Just the meter alone. It doesn't come enclosed in a case. So I put it in my own little case. Electrical box. A wall mount type box. Not beneath the wall. Just a surface mount type. And you can see, then I can screw it onto the wall and hook it up to the shunt and be able to know, in my case, this one here is an amp meter, 200 amps. How many amps I'm using or producing. So I wanted to show everybody how I mounted the meter itself in that top lid. The box itself is just an electrical box. There's many different sizes and shapes a person could use. This is the type that I decided to use. The top part there is loose. It's not fastened down because I need to hook it up. So that's the type I used. And I actually just covered it with some, it's actually a ductwork tape, metal tape. So you pick yourself up a box. You make a template. That's the hole in the back of the meter. And there's the 4 mounting bolts that are on the back. And then I use this type of cap that normally would just cap off the box. I stencil out the template like so, mark it out with a marker, and then I cut it out. I use metal shears, and then I use a Dremel with a little grinding wheel on it, and then a drill to drill the 4 holes out. And that's all there is to it. And it gives the meter itself a nice secure area. And it looks pretty neat. So if anybody has or uses or maybe thinking about getting some of these meters, they're very cheap. Just the meter and shunt by itself without the enclosure. So to pick up an enclosure yourself and modify it to the point that the meter fits in, well, this is how I do it, and this is what I use. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not, and thank you very much for those that already have.